Now, you probably clicked on this video because you're seeing that alarming message. There has been a critical error on this website. Well, as you can see, I'm facing the same error, and I'm going to walk you through a practical example to help you solve it step by step. So first things first, we need to understand the cause of this error, and the reason behind my issue might not be the same as yours, but the process to resolve it is generally the same. So we'll begin by accessing the control panel. If you're using cPanel, look for the Multi-PHP INI Editor tool. And don't worry, if you don't have access to cPanel, I'll also show you an alternative method in a moment. In the Multi-PHP INI Editor, select the domain where your WordPress site is hosted. Then, enable the first option, Display Errors, and click Apply. Now, refresh your site and you'll see the specific details of the error. Now, if you don't have access to cPanel or the Multi-PHP INI Editor, you can still display the error by accessing your WordPress files. And you can do this through the File Manager, which can be found in any type of control panel, or via an FTP client. So once you're in, you'll usually find your WordPress files inside the public .html folder. But in my case, my WordPress site is located in this specific folder. Next, open the wp-config.php file. Scroll down until you find the WP debug line and change its value from false to true. Save the changes. Now, when we refresh the site, the same error will appear again. However, it's not recommended to display errors publicly like this because sensitive file names could be exposed. A better approach is to include these two additional lines in the same file. After saving and refreshing the site, the critical error message will reappear. But now, if you check your WordPress files inside the WP content folder, you'll find a new debug.log file. This file contains detailed information about the issue. For example, in this case, the error log shows that the issue is in the functions.php file on line 162. If you're not familiar with PHP or coding, you can resolve this by renaming the theme folder. Go to WP Content, then Themes, and rename the folder for the problematic theme. For instance, add Backup or anything you like. Once renamed, refresh your site. You'll see a message saying the theme is missing, which makes sense because we just renamed it. Now you can access your WordPress admin panel without any problem. Once you're there, go to Appearance, select Themes, and activate a different theme. And voila, the issue is resolved. Keep in mind that the way I solved my issue might not be the same for you. Here are some common causes of the critical error. Issues with your theme, like in my case. Problems with plugins. Insufficient PHP memory limit. Low upload max file size or post max size. An outdated PHP version. Now, in case your website is hosted with us, you don't need to go through all of this. Simply log into your client area, go to Support, and click Open Ticket. Select the department for your hosting plan, and our 24/7 technical team will assist you right away.